Purchasing a truck scale is a large undertaking. There are numerous options to consider. Much like choosing options for a car, your truck scale can be customized to fit your specific needs and requirements. Here are a number of options to consider when ordering your new truck scale. A sight rail is an extremely common option to include with a truck scale purchase. The pipe rail is used as a visual guide to help vehicle drivers stay centered as they enter onto the scale. For most commercial and industrial truck scale installations, a standard 8-inch tall sight rail is a common choice. For most aggregate and mining type operations, a 24-inch tall double pipe sight rail is required for safety. Large, bright outdoor mounted weight displays are known as remote displays or scoreboards. A remote display is often placed near a truck scale within the driver's sight so they can verify the scale reads 0 prior to entering and verify their vehicle weight before exiting the scale. Scoreboards are available in a wide array of digit sizes, with 4-inch digits being the most popular. Some states' weight and measures departments mandate the use of a scoreboard next to a truck scale. Intercom systems allow office staff to communicate directly with a truck driver while on the scale. Systems range from simple hardwired systems with outdoor PA horns to powerful wireless VHF radio systems that can be run by D-cell batteries or solar. Truck scales installed flush with grade are typically placed in a 48-inch deep concrete pit foundation. To access the inside of the pit area under the scale, 24 by 24 manhole access covers are built into the scale weighbridge. The manhole covers are removable by hand and allow for entry below the scale. Pit foundations will commonly have drains or sump pumps that will need to be serviced. In some industries and geographic locations, underscale clearance is very important for ensuring a truck scale remains operational for long periods of time. Aggregate and mining type applications may want increased underscale clearance to prevent buildup of materials under the scale. The buildup may cause the scale to get bound up or impede accurate weighing, especially in cold weather climates. The extra underscale clearance allows for easier and faster clean-out of built-up debris. The extra clearance is also good for on-scale filling applications such as asphalt, where spills and overfills are possible. Snow and ice in some areas warrant the use of riser blocks to reduce the possibility of winter scale freezers. A catwalk assembly can be added to any truck scale weighbridge. A catwalk can be as small as 60 inches in length all the way up to the full length of the truck scale on one or both sides of the platform. A catwalk can attach to the side of the scale hanging on the sight rail or be mounted on the ground next to the scale. A catwalk is a way to safely enter or exit a scale platform with stairs and handrail features. The number of options and variations can be a bit overwhelming. If you have questions about which options would best suit you and your truck scale, the experts at Central Carolina Scale will be happy to assist you. Visit centralcarolinascale.com for more information, or you can call 919-776-7737.